future's coming towards us incredibly fast. The rate of innovation in Australia is really exciting. It's also slightly daunting. We've got a lot to do in a short amount of time. But I've got real confidence that the new technologies like vehicle to grid and all the other bits of work that are being done means that we can move to a zero emission electricity supply in Australia much more quickly than some have suggested.
What is V2G? V2G or vehicle to grid can be defined as a system in which there is a capability to control bidirectional flow of electric energy between the vehicle and the electrical grid. The integration of electric vehicles into the power grid gives rise to what we call as V2G technology. Vehicle to grid could be the biggest technical innovation since renewable energy became commercially viable. V2G enables energy stored in electric vehicles to be fed back into the National Electricity Network, otherwise known as the grid, to help supply energy when its demand is at its peak. How does the V2G work? Initially, the car takes energy from the national grid to charge up. When the battery is full, an inverter is able to transfer energy from the car back to the grid when there is demand and when the owner is willing. The amount of energy transferred is according to the limits set by the owner. V2G system architecture and requirements. The V2G system consists of 6 subsystems: energy resource and an electric utility, an independent operator and aggregator, charging infrastructure and locations, two-way electrical energy flow and communication between each PEV and ISO, on-board and off-board intelligent metering and control, the PEV itself with its battery charger and management. Why V2G? The reason why V2G is considered to be a game changer in the field of electricity is because of the low utilization rate of private vehicles. Almost 90% of the day, these vehicles are stationary or parked somewhere. This means there is a huge amount of spare energy that could provide services elsewhere. Moreover, the collective effect of millions of these EV batteries in supplying energy to grid makes them the biggest future asset for all. Future of V2G. Vehicle to grid market is expected to reach $8.06 billion by 2025 at a CAGR of 47.2% during the forecast period 2020 to 2025. Increasing awareness for smart power generation coupled with rising adoption of autonomous vehicles has significantly triggered the demand for V2G technologies. In addition, governments are expected to expand incentives to accelerate the adoption of battery-powered vehicles, resulting in an expansion of the V2G market. Many companies are investing in this technology. Italian energy giant Enel and Japanese car maker Nissan have partnered with Nuvve, a startup based in San Diego, to develop a new business model based on vehicle-to-grid technology. Conclusion. Thus, V2G has the potential to transform both energy and transport system in profound ways by promoting the deployment of alternative vehicle technologies, reducing inefficient investment in conventional generation, and supporting the installation of renewable electricity sources. V2G is force for good, not only providing a quick and cost-efficient form of local energy storage, but developing a more democratic energy system where everybody can benefit.